Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Good morning, Brett Simba. We're having a good day so far there at Chick-fil-A. So, doesn't look like last night was exciting as the night before. ES looks like our high is 60.073. Our low is 60.032. It's still a 41-point range. And Q, 21,219 was our bottom, 423 was our top. So early morning math, 204 points of range, big range overnight. Compa, about 80 ticks. Ultra Bond, about 3/4 of a point. Gold, about 12 points. Crude, 80 ticks. Natural gas falling. And Bitcoin's back above 100,000 up to 102.5. And that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this chilly, but not too chilly Tuesday morning. It works. It's always nice to see you in the morning, Brett. My email's been filling up with notifications of sales from Tradify with this flash sale. Nice, RTY. Oh, yeah, it did rise nicely up overnight. Good call on that. Yeah, I can imagine because I like to, I've seen the orders pouring in. Absolutely. Absolutely. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Glad to hear you passed the Tradify account yesterday. Tradify is coming after my funded futures for my overall number one, honestly. All right. Is that just to try and keep the numbers different so payout junction shows the just the trader amounts? Right. That's pretty cool. All the numbers are going to get messed up over there now, though. My funded futures having plaid ACH payouts for both traders and affiliates now. Numbers are never, going to really match any, it's going to get tougher, put it that way, to see who's doing what. AQ moving back down here a little bit, hanging around 21,303. Dow pulling down. Oh, awesome. Lots of good things coming to Tradeify. Like I said, it's looks like it's going to be a battle between Tradeify and my funded futures of who's at my number one going forward. Yeah, Russell's pulling back as well. I don't look at the Russell much. Probably once I had the new computer, I'll be able to look at more assets regularly. I should say more screens at that point. Mhm. So I hit 322, plopped down to 290, so 32 points. Trying to see if it wants to bounce here. Definitely not the same excitement as yesterday. Our ATR is only 5.5. Morning, Robin. How are you? I'm doing good. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? And Q trying to pop back up here. Why do I have volume? get yourself some coffee. We'll still be here. Or Brett's at Chick-fil-A. Ask him to grab you something. Thought you were a little bit late, but I didn't dock you anything. Got to come earlier. He was at Chick-fil-A just as the stream was starting. Rising back up. I should have taken this little blue candle here. Little blue candle from Pasadena. But there's always more. There's always another one. It's one of the beauties of the 30-second chart. I ended up 700 and some odd dollars yesterday. I finished the stream. I was only up 46 bucks, so that was some good afternoon trading. Yeah, so these top step accounts, trying to get top step back to 5 funded, then we'll get ourselves some TraderFi accounts, get those going. So these top step evals are now above 5,100. I'm copy trading two. Let me guess, it's not going to show my top step window. Oh yeah, there it is. About that. I just took a long here. Now I lose my window. Where's my top step window? There it is. There we go. Rising up. Rising up. We're gonna do it. Take it there. 10 points up. Ended up being 9 points. We'll take it there. Start the day. It was 172.20 on that trade. I'm curious. I swear. I mean, I've never really dealt with other trade copiers, so I don't know how different they are, but like, okay, looks like today so far, okay, all three accounts same. Yesterday, one of the Top Step accounts was like $60 different than the other. It was interesting. And it seems like there's been a bunch. Like because you can see my balance now on this one 51 286. This one's 51 174. So it's what $80? No, it's like over $100 less. And this one is 51 196, which is like $90 less. So and I'm copied. Every trade's been copied between the three accounts. Ooh, look at that pop! I should have stayed in. You know, the only other copy trader I've messed with is Tradovate's. Uh, that one, seemed like it was pretty even, but still rising up to 324. What's our high day? Oh, all the way up there, 423. That's right. All right, I should have changed that TraderFi Nightbot to the flash sale. Let me go do that quick. Sorry, I make things so hard on myself. When there's a sale now, I have like six different spots I got to change stuff. There you go. Get them while they're hot. That sale ends today or tonight. I thought about grabbing some, but I really, really don't like intraday. But yet, I mean, I'm a scalper, so intraday really shouldn't bother me. Saw your tweet, Brett, if you're still here, about your Russell trade. Very nice. Very nice. Kind of chickened out on that blue candle. Not 100% confident in that. Came down, looks like, you know, see if it just pops back up or not, but yeah, it looks like it's gonna. Yep, rising up. Rise up. Excuse me. All right. Saw it. Thank you, Brett. um, Robin, Brett talks about the competition. He's currently trading topstep accounts and tweeting about what he's doing on topstep. He doesn't get upset about that. Now, I wasn't sure if you knew that, Robin, because I know you're not the biggest social media user. So, yep. I did whiff on this blue candle here that I should have taken. Well, you'd be happy to know that Brett and I have chatted about doing an interview sometime soon. So I'm in the middle of watching Brett's interview with Jadon, the guy from Funded Futures Family, FFF. It's a pretty good interview. About halfway through, I'll watch the rest of that today. So I queue up to 344, continuing to rise here in the early morning. Oh yeah, news. What news do we have today? I guess I should check that before it actually hits. Is what the one that came out yesterday, Chris? What are we talking about? U.S. durable goods report coming up in 5 minutes. U.S. case shiller coming up at the top of the hour. USCB consumer confidence coming up at 10. Oh yeah, it is. Yep, that's the one. Yeah, it's over an hour long, so got to give us some time. But it's very interesting. It's fun. It's good interview. Also, yeah, and honestly, it gives me a little bit of a trying to think of the word. I had some reservations about Funded Futures Family due to some of Danny's antics, but seeing the other guy, I never really interacted with him at all. Seeing him makes me, more confident, and the fact that Brett trusts him as well, more confident in that prop. I mean, they don't have an affiliate program, so I'm not really promoting them anyway. But I won't have a problem talking about them, or if someone says, "Are they okay?" I will, I'll be able to say, "Yeah, they're okay." Blah blah blah. Hey, Crypticon, Platt, how are you? Leveling out around 350. There you go, Crips. I've always said that if you have something that kind of forces your risk management, that would be good for you. Up, then down, purple candle. Ooh, snaps right back up. Oh yeah, it was the news candle. Oops. See, I talk about news, and you cannot, Hassan, or at least you never been able to use. You never used to be able to. Never. I haven't tried. Used to tell you because the XFAs have a scaling plan, and the combines don't. So, and I guess you need to be able to. I don't know. It yelled at me when I tried, but I haven't tried lately. Yeah, Project X still has improvements to make, in my opinion. But it's I don't have the problem with the platform like some do. Wow, big fall. So I got that purple candle there right before news. I never usually enter on news, but I wish I had entered on news. Excellent, Hassan. There you go. There's your goal. Yeah, you should get us. I don't, what are you trading right now? Are you trading an evaluation or a the sim, or what are you trading? Yeah. What account? I'll fund it. Oh, okay. Have you thought about so when you reach your goal on one, I know you sometimes you like to keep keep trading and stuff, if you see your setups. Have you thought about getting a second account? So you could like when you reach your goal on the one, you can kind of move over to the second one and do that. That- let's see what that news was. Durable goods negative 2.2 and they expected positive 0.6. Wow, that was a big miss. Who cared? It'll pop back up. Okay. It's just, yeah, just a thought. Because I know you like to, you know, continue to trade. So I didn't know if you might, that might help with not having issues over trading that one. Long, shooting for that 9 EMA. Ah, touched it. I had it at a little above the 9. Crap. And it's back down. Come on, come on, man, come on. Oh, that's gonna stop me out. Should have got out as soon as I seen it touch the 9 and not go further. And then I didn't jump into that purple candle right away, so it's okay. Darn, look at that purple. That would have been nice. So, wow. Watching here as it hangs around 21,300. Have we found the bottom for now? Pops up there, and well, yeah, it was a good area for a long. Ah, so I did something last night that I've never done before. I took a trade on crypto. Just kind of hanging out here about 49 minutes till the bell. Tomorrow is FOMC. It's going to be one of the most interesting FOMCs in a while. Amelia got totally silent. I'm not sure if that coffee kicked in or if she fell asleep. Uh, I thought maybe this you didn't get enough coffee in time, and it's yeah. I'm just joking around, Amelia. You gotta get rid of that 40 hour. Good morning, Speed Racer. It's actually wasn't Bitcoin. It's XRP Ripple. There's hints that the SEC lawsuit against XRP Ripple is going to be done with here today or near future, and I think it's going to shoot up if it does. So I just bought $100 worth. It's up like 3%, or no, not. I'm up 3%. It's not up 3%, but Yeah, I'm up like $3 on it so far, but we'll see. No, it was actually a trade on Coinbase, continuing to fall. Uh, how do you know $100 isn't my entire life savings? Well, yeah, well, that's why I don't have any savings. Eastbound and down, running up and can't be done. Morning, John. How are you doing today? Go, 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 go along. Hits that 20. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. John, you need to get rid of that work thing. Just told Amelia that. None of you listen to me. Took that out for 4.5. I can do that. What's your target, Brett? And your stop. That's right. That's right. You're close. That's right. You're going for your pension or your whatever money you get after you leave, right? Well, 91.7. Ah, there we go. Okay, good. Back down. Hey, JJR, how you doing? Let me look at our. There's a Russell 1 minute. I like it here actually for this long. There we go. Come on. Break through that 20 EMA. There we go. There's the boom, Brett. Trail my stops in one tick in profit. Why couldn't I get that out? Took me out break even. Yep. Russell comes down to 22.92 too, which I think was Brett's entry. Yeah, back down to Brett's entry. I was in a little bit later. See where it goes. See if it pops back up. It's popping back up. Let's try again. Continue to watch NQ as well. Still like it getting up to that EMA there. I have a Tradify account now. I just need to get it set up in Tradovate. What I'm looking for here is for it to expand the bands. You can see here, the bands are kind of coming together, coming up, and then expanding here. Or Alonzo. Sorry about that. Accidentally put the just DC8 into this because I forgot the Russell is like small. Didn't really DCA because I was profitable in the trade. Anyway, I added to my trade. Nice, Robin. Churn them, but don't burn them. We move down on the NQ. 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Fighting with the Russell. I traded a little bit last night on a Bowlinox account that I ended up just break even on. Yeah, I agree. There's a lot of good stuff in the evenings now. If it keeps up, we might even need to do it once a week evening stream again. There we go. There's our rise up. NQ coming down. There we go. A win on the Russell. That win was brought to you by Brett Simba and Tradify. Get Tradify for all your needs. Thank you. Thank you. It's a few minutes away from the top of the hour. I used to do them when I was doing evening streams. I believe 7 to 9 Eastern, so 6 to 8 Central. I don't think I've done an evening stream in like 9 months, maybe longer. Got a choppy half. Yeah, I mean, I agree with you there, Brett. so unfamiliar with the Russell that I just did the quick scalp, but yeah, I mean, I like the setup right there on my, my strategy. The entry would have been 22.90, 22.92.7. Yeah, I think we can get back up to 300. Yeah, 2,300. I may get away from my extreme scalping ways here. Also, once I get the new computer, I can be watching more assets because go to like a 3-minute chart for bigger moves. T minus 25 days until my computer gets built. I'm carnivore. I can't eat bread. No, kidding. We're chopping now. Oops. Sorry, I just saw the top step window up. The reason for that right now. Let's wait for our next move. Falling. Now I'm gonna be watching the Russell all day to see what it's doing. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the Russell going now. Yep. Great call, Brett, staying in that trade. Ooh, and Q pops big. NQ pulls back. We are about 26 minutes from the bell. Ace and RJ should be showing up soon. Sitting here. A quick snap back by NQ there. Pulling down. Russell's still going for Brett there, up to 27.96. He's looking for 2,300. I used to like watching the Russell, and then I kind of like lost interest for some reason. It's a safer play because it's a smaller tick value. Well, same tick value, but good morning, Moxie. How are you? It's been a while. I'm doing good. It's nice to see you. Mind you, folks, the Tradify does have a flash sale. Ends tonight. $35 for any size of their advanced, aka intraday drawdown evals. And if you pass them by Friday, the setup fee is only $99. End of day Friday. 5 accounts allowed. Back down to 21,287 on NQ. Little tiny pullback on the Russell. Here's my Ripple. NQ still falling. Not afraid of falling. By the way, reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I'd appreciate if you would gore that like button for me. Let other people know you're enjoying the stream. And if you're not enjoying the stream, why are you still here? No, I'm kidding. See everybody leave besides like 2 people. Russell looks like it's still trying to head up here. Team fight tactics? Is that what TFT is? I'll have to try it out. Yeah, I wanna play around with some gaming once I have the new setup. I like strategic. I struggle with games where I gotta mash buttons quickly. I admit that, but I like strategy. Oh, okay. I mean, I have a my problem isn't really. I mean, this PC is very good. It's just my lack of screen space. Yeah, I'm willing to try it out. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I can see how that would go well with trading. Yeah, yeah. I will look into that today after the stream. Okay. Is it a download or web based? It's probably a stupid question. Like I said, I haven't gamed in a long time, unless you count RuneScape. Even that I haven't done in a few years. Okay. I've never played League of Legends, but I have watched. Actually, the guy that is building my computer used to be huge in the League of Legends. Hmm, cool. Yeah, I'll check it out and get it, download it, whatever, then. Hey, RJ, how you doing? Wonder what gaming Ace was into. Probably like Pong. Yes. I had Pong. Yeah, I mean, I liked it. Russell pulled back and now, excuse me, boosting up. Yeah, it really is amazing. And the amazing thing is how the other amazing thing about the whole video game industry was the fact that, once the Atari 2600 started dying out, the industry almost died. And then Nintendo came in and kind of rescued it. I mean, it was close to, it really fell hard. Hanging around 21,273. We have less than 15 minutes till the bell. Where is Ace? He's late today. Maybe he forgot to take the trash out. There's Ace. Take the trash out. Coming back down. 10 minutes till the bell. How you doing today, Ace? Russell's chopping there. Gold's running. Crude's running. Yay! They actually picked my trash up yesterday, so that is, you know, a shock in itself. And they picked up my recyclables. First time in 2 months. Last time they picked up my recyclables was before Thanksgiving. Still falling? All right, I can do that. Yeah, I'll get that email out to you. And we can decide on a February schedule as well. Ooh, big blue candle. What do we think today at the bell? Up or down, guys? How are you today, USC? Doing good, thank you. Another big blue candle. All right, those candles aren't as big as they look. What's the Russell doing? Still trying to grind up for Brett. What will the crazy 5 minutes till the bell algo do? A little quick whip up. You see, I have a trade on Take Profit Trader there, long off the 3 minute chart. That blue candle. See, it wants to give me any momentum here. Now he wants me to recommend him some supplements for his blood pressure. I was supposed to email him like a week ago. Boom. So on our Take Profit Trader account, we just got 20 points. That's a $400 trade. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. And Russell boomed up there too. I'm not sure if Brett's still here, but he was shooting for 2,300 and at 22.94, 92.4. So nice win for him. He already had a nice move overnight on the Russell. Still rising as we head toward the bell. Awesome. Pulls back a tad right before the bell. We are 2 minutes away. Our ace 2 minute warning. Still haven't replaced the bell. By the time I get it replaced, it'll be time for me to bring the Christmas bells back. Minutes of the bell. Pay no attention to that chicken you hear frying in the background. Thirty seconds. Ding, 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 ding. Well, there you go, Brett. Nice call. Boom. Rocket ship there at the bell. Great call, Brett. I should have stayed in with you. Make contracts we were using on that, Brett. Nice. Nice. Very nice. And Q rising up here too as we broke 300. Got to head on up. We're about mid-range on the day, I believe. Yeah. So, tries to find the identity of which way it wants to go today. That's a great day. Ooh. All right, man. Great work. I'll send you a message when I get that game set up. Ace is short, though we don't really judge on height here. Yep. I'm looking forward to it. Bounces here. That was an iffy candle for me, but obviously it worked. See the ES trying to pop now. Q's still trying to pop. Yep. Just giving it up. Giving off its pop. I'm long ES on Take Profit Trader. Yes, that's right, Ace. You heard me say ES. It looked good, and now it's turning against me after hitting that 9. I'll blame Ace for this trade. I like that blue candle where it was, but it seems to be turning against me, so it's gonna hurt me. Got up to that EMA and then dropped. See if it comes back. All right, get it there, RJ. Get it, get it, get it. Nope, I'm gonna get stopped out on the CS. It was a bad trade only because I'm supposed to be using a 3 minute chart and I did this trade off a 1 minute chart. Well, we'll see what happens. Nope, nope, stopped out there. I should stay in my lane. Okay, where's my NQ chart now? There it is. There's a blue candle fake out. Nice, RJ. And that blue candle fake out did happen on NQ there as well. Well, NQ would have ran for 10 points, 10 points first. Still falling. Everything's still falling. Ooh, wow. He got his target there, and that Russell just absolutely dropped. Oh, 217. Yeah, I'm looking long here, waiting for this my signal, which is right there if it holds. Uh, Big candle. Nice call, Brett. You're in way earlier than I'm going to be. I was waiting for my blue candle to finish. Nice, Brett. Very nice. You're having a day. You use the same amount of contracts on NQ as you did the Russell? Nice. Watching this here. Seems to be struggling on the 9. Yep. Can't break it. Can't break it. I kind of didn't break it. Down we come. Back down to 200. Still falling. Do have news at the top of the hour. USCV consumer confidence. Dow pulls back after getting RJ's overnight high touch trade. Russell may have found a bottom that's trying to bounce. I have an NVIDIA chart here somewhere. Don't remember there. Oh yeah, the NVIDIA down big there. NVIDIA. I always say it wrong, but people know what I mean. Still falling. Tiny little blue. Down to 175. So you can see the deep fall. Since the open, we were at 319, and we've fallen 140 points or so. Early morning math. There's a bounce. A pretty big quick bounce there. Pausing there around 206, 208, 210, I meant. Somewhere around there. Long. Let's see if I'm an idiot. Just one contract, not six. Yep, I'm an idiot. I'm out. Hurt these accounts today. Giving back. Down it comes. Under 200. Hangs around 187. The 176. Try to do a 187 on our accounts. You get anything out of that, Brett, or you get stopped out, or you're stopped that deep? Good decision. Well, that's going to stop me too. I am not having a good day. After a great day yesterday. Oh, I hear it's coming back. Maybe. There we go. There we don't go. I'm at 180 with a target of 195. Can't get through that darn 9 EMA. Go, 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 go. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go. There's my 15 points, 79 to 94. Hey, Kelly. Kellyanne, sorry. How are you? I don't think I've ever seen you on my stream before. I got 15 points from 79 to 94. Y'all should be a guest on my stream sometime. I do have guests at times. Haven't had one in a while. Yep, there's that pop. Nice call, Brett. You got in at 94, Brett? I got out at 94. I think you got in. Nice. Yeah, I targeted 15 points there, 'cause me being the extreme scalper. But yeah, I want to start holding trades longer, but I gotta get more accustomed to it. It's what I'm working on. Right now I have a scalping account and I have a longer hold time account. I'll get that run. Great call, Brett. Brett's been full of great calls today. He said 240 earlier and it just hit 253. 62, 68.3 minute candle here. Just all of a sudden, boom, pulls back. Not falling for that red candle. You take profit at that 240 level you'd mentioned, Brad, or you still in this? Nice. My email notifications keep going off telling me I have another sale in Tradify. For anyone that is unaware, I'm not sure there's anyone here that is unaware, but for anyone that might be unaware, Brett Simba is the founder and CEO of Tradify, a certified top three firm. And Kellyanne has her own she has a Discord and YouTube channel. Well, she talks about trading and prop firms. Rising back up to 260. Trying to gain back everything it lost in that big move down. We're about a little more than halfway. Looks like, I mean, eyeballing it and not didn't take a measuring tool to it, but we do have news coming up at the top of the hour. A reminder, folks, if you haven't, please gore the like button. Let people know you're enjoying today's stream. Yep, USCB consumer confidence coming up here. Eh, but a wise man once said, never be upset with a green trade. I believe that was you, Ace. Yeah, I trade NQ. 90% of, not 95% of my trades are on Q. I did not, and I'll tell you what. I mean, I did kind of. I was using both, but I didn't like that wick. But yeah, I should have just taken any of the. I should have. Yeah, I'll look back on that one when I do the autopsy of the day and see that I should. This doesn't matter the wick. I caught it on the 1 minute, Hassan, but I just didn't stay in long enough. I just went for 15 points, and I could have got. I could have got 100. So now I'm also crying that I sold. Saw you were an Eagles fan too, Kellyanne. Figured you were from based on where you were. I knew you were located, the area you're from. So hopefully we can finally, yeah, hopefully we can finally beat the Chiefs in the bowl. Do you guys get along, or is it like you call the cops on each other for every little bit of noise? It's kind of hanging here. News in about 30 seconds. We're gonna start spreading the news. We're trading today. uh, so far that news didn't knock our socks off. We're actually wearing socks. Consumer confidence 104.1. They expect it 105.85. Financial juice at usually the consumer confidence is marked in with a red dot. I'm not sure what the difference between the red dot and the red lightning strike is. We're still rising up, and as Kelly Ann says, fill in the gap. Gained almost everything back that it lost. It's just about completed it. Yep, beautiful, beautiful move up. There it is. It's now above the where we opened. The overnight high was 423, so we're still almost 100 points off of that. Dow's also rising. Russell's trying to come back. Gold pulling back a tad. Ultra Bond looks ugly today. Ooh, big dump on copper. Have a great day, Kelly. Stop in again sometime. Don't rub it in that you don't work, Ace. Yep, right back up. Like an actual job. Like an actual one you gotta like go someplace for. Q's still rising. See you, Chris. Have a great day. I and yeah, you're right. Ace. I did not mean to discount what you do. I would never discount someone's domestic responsibilities. Just an amazing move here. Wow. And see if I've been using my 3 minute strategy and actually taking this trade. Look at this. This is a perfect example of what I want to start doing. Trailing behind each candle. Boom, 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 boom. And I could have caught, holy Hannah, like 170 points at this point. It's the water freeze in the washing machine there, Ace. Yep. Both of us in that same thing. You called it, you hold trades longer than I do normally, so but yeah, we both could have really banked on this, and you banked more than I did. Let's politics, guys. Politics. No politics. No political discussion, please. I think Flat only trades the Ultra Bond, or well, bonds, not just Ultra Bonds. Ooh, big drop. 20 point, 30 point. Ooh, wow. RJ, you weren't. Ace was. That should drive some extra volume. Is there any advantage of trading futures on Robinhood, though? I'm sure they still have to have commissions and all that. I'll have to look. That could actually bring a lot of inexperienced futures traders in that we can take advantage of. Oh, really? Oh, oh, ouch. Wow. Brett was trading the Russell from the Chick-fil-A drive-thru earlier. Rising back up. We have about 45 minutes to go. Has not been my greatest day trading. Hopefully we can turn that around. Yesterday was a wonderful day. Yep, rising up. Are we gonna go for overnight high? So I have a speaking of it, I have a big window behind my computer. And last night I figured out I can get Mighty Ox curtains. Wow, really slow day here today. Uh, like I haven't seen my viewership down this low. Give me a minute. Uh, Here, go with this link. I'm actually going to be changing providers if I ever get some little assistance in changing providers. But there, that link works. I have gonna have a bunch more stuff available soon. Pulls back here a little bit. So where are we sitting today? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Nice USC. Not so nice there, Amelia. Oh, ouch. Sorry to hear that, Amelia. Oh, yeah. Ace has been one of my best promoters for everything. I mean, he doesn't do it anymore, but he used to like threaten people with all types of bad omens if they didn't hit the like button. I appreciate that, Amelia. And actually, y'all want to help me a little bit more on that same subject. On my non-lives, I'm not sure how about on the lives, but on my non-lives, like my morning video, any of you ever actually watch those? Leave a comment down. Apparently, YouTube's algorithm now really rewards seeing people making comments on videos. I've seen more and more, big influencers asking people to do that because of the YouTube algorithm. So it doesn't have to be a big comment, just you know, nice or hello or anything like that. Oh, darn Ace, I thought we were family. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, not as fast, but still going up. Now I'm going to have to come up with a new idea next year, Ace. We were both 400, trying to do an overnight high touch. Copyright RJ Wheel. 423 half is the overnight high. No, you don't have to pay. No, 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 no. I would never ask anyone to comment if they had to pay. I'm not talking about like so. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so here, USC. So this is my morning prop firm top 10, blah blah blah. Down here, there's comments. Add a comment. Hi. Comment. Now everyone's gonna think I'm insane. Still rising. Oh, we did hit. We broke through overnight high. We're at new high a day. No, I'm talking about like I don't think it matters on lives because you have the chat. I'm talking about on my non-live content, like the one I do each morning and stuff like that. Sorry, didn't mean to confuse you. Sometimes skip the weekends, Ace, but yeah, I do that. I do that discount video every day, and I'm gonna start getting out more content besides that. That's still than a lot of people. That's still more than a lot of people have USC. If I only had a brain. Still rising. I see NQ arising. I see profits on the way. Don't take it short, man. It's not gonna end up right. I see an NQ on the rise. Who's crying? Yeah. Still, I gained about a little more than half of the big drop from yesterday. Wow, though, yeah. And it did. Look at this. This is why I love this strategy, though I didn't take this blue candle. It all started with this blue candle coming out of my green shaded area. Look at that. 480. Big purple candle. Let's see if it continues. Nice, USC. Somewhere RJ's in the corner crying. Because USC's trading ES now instead of YM. We're short here. 5 micros. I've sized down. Figures a trade I sized down for is the one that's going. We're out. Yeah, 21-point trade. Little micros, but I had taken several losses before that. I'm down big on the day. That's why I sized down. Ace cannot leave. Cannot leave. Very odd looking candle there. Part of me wants to take it, part of me doesn't. Which part of me is going to win? Yeah, unfortunately, there's a part of me that doesn't, so it's going to work. Let that go. Yep. I should get my computer guy to stick a mic outside, or I can activate whenever a train comes by. Maybe my new microphone won't. I'm getting with the new setup. I'm getting one of those like standalone mics. Maybe that won't cut it out. Cat's is yelling at me. Sometimes he sounds like a lamb. If you seen the size of him, you would know he's not hungry. He does that to be petted. He just wants petted or he wants catnip. That's a nice thought from the 1930s days. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Oh, we first got this guy. He he hid for a week. He didn't really want to be touched at all. He hates being held. Can't hold him. It's like he's if you hold him, he feels like he's a hostage. But he sometimes lay in the lap. Mostly just likes to sit next to somebody, be petted and fed treat. I swear, Temptations is like kitty crack. Yeah, it's orange. He's getting older now, so he's not as active as he once was. Sometimes I can still get him to run across the room after a laser. The crazy and the kooky, mysterious and spooky, all together ooky. Mine's named Eddie, but we didn't name him. He came with the name. Told mine that the expense I'm having to put out for mousetraps is coming out of his treat budget. Wow, I never read it. Rising up. You didn't know how to use a quill because you're supposed to dip it in ink. Ah, being attacked by things. Tomorrow is FOMC. Usually means a choppy morning, but the volatility we've had this week, I don't know if that's what it'll mean. Liking the looks of this. My crypto trade's working out. Looks like it wants to come right back down now. Oh yeah, the Dow is really running. Wow. Is that all-time highs? No, not quite. Well, actually, 171, 176, 147. So you're like 25 points away from all-time highs. Yeah, they're fun to spin around at times, and rising back up. Dow, a little bit of a pullback there. Yeah, blue candle. Pulls back, blue candle not working. Bounces on the 9. Back up. Took the long. Boom. Boom. Out. There we go. That'll finish the day. That was a 15-point trade. Thank you. Thank you, guys. And it means we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, to figure out how it's going to trade for pre-FOMC. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.